Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. It's me, Manan. Today we will be talking about how to turn a regular object into a 3D object in Illustrator. I'm a new YouTuber. If you want to see more creative tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be creating more videos like this. Let's get started. Go to the window panel and click on 3D and Materials. You will see the left side panel of 3D and Materials. Click on Object, then click on Inflate. This will create a 3D volume by adding convex depth to the path. You will see some beveled look appears, which I selected before. Then, click on another color, the same as the previous effects. Now, I'm going to work on the hand of Teddy on the right side. Follow the same procedure for the left side as well. It's not looking perfect in terms of shades, I think. Oh, some objects are still remaining. Go to Materials, this should be defaulted. Now let's check the lighting. I will select Standard, and you can adjust it by yourself as you see how it's better. I think the light comes from the top, and this shade is good. Now follow the same procedure for the other ones. Here are some more options to enhance your shade and depth of your object. Decrease the height once, and let's check more. Now let's work on the hands. This is perfect now. Do you know why it's not working like it did before? There is some issue. Let me tell you. Go to the Object panel, and you can see that Extrude is selected. You have to check all the selections. If you have some issues, you can resolve them or give me a comment, and I will guide you. So go to the lighting setting, and you can adjust the same lighting position. Now it looks pretty good. Love you, Teddy. Thanks for watching my video. Next video on how to remove the 3D effect from your objects.